Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today I have another makeup review video. I have been loving reviewing makeup lately, and if you also have been enjoying the makeup content, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you are excited. It really helps me out to know what you guys like, so make sure to thumbs up this video. And yeah, if you want to see my review of a certain product, you would have seen it in the title, but sneak peek, then keep on watching. So, we are going to be reviewing a product from Brow HQ, which is a very recent brand who have launched quite recently. So I have kindly been sent over some products from Brow HQ, and I had never heard from them or of them before, but then I went on their website, did a little bit of research. They are relatively new. They were founded in 2016, so yeah, quite recent. I'm gonna get into the products in a second. Love this packaging, FYI. Like I said, these have been gifted to me. I didn't pay for them. They did send them over, but they didn't say that I had to do a specific video or anything like that. I just love doing my review videos here on YouTube, so that's what I'm doing. I love trying new makeup, experimenting, you know? So I'm not getting paid for this video or anything like that. They've just gifted me the products. On the website, they've got an about section, and I'm going to read out a little bit on there just so you can get to grips on what they are, because I didn't have a clue before searching up. So it says on the website, Brow HQ is the go-to for all things brows. Founded in 2016 by brow expert Lisa Roberts, and proud to be an inclusive, vegan and cruelty-free brand. Amazing. And as such, the launch of our first product, Brow HQ Brow Lamination Kit, was developed in 2020 to offer customers old and new a home-based solution to salon treatments during COVID-19. So the product that I'm going to be reviewing is very recent, so last year. Offer high-end brow treatments. So basically they were a brow treatment clinic, salon and academy where they teach people how to do brows and stuff. That's a good idea. I want to learn how to do laminated brows. Please hook me up with one of those. So then they obviously developed this product to help people at home, which is such a good idea. So it came in this packaging, and how cute is that? It came in this little pouch and it's got their name on it, which is so cute. Love that. I love the aesthetic. It's sort of like a mint green brow neutral brown neutral sort of tones. They've got a lot of different products, but what they've sent me is sent me a spoolie. Can never have too many spoolies. Here's the product. So this is the brow styling soap. Now we all know about the laminated brow soap thing. I have tried them all. This retails for £14, so it comes in this really cute frosted glass sort of packaging. When you screw the top off, it actually comes with this protector thing, which I love. I'm a sucker for good packaging, you know. And then it just comes with the soap. It doesn't have an overly strong scent. It sort of reminds me of the look of Coca-Cola. Obviously I've got nothing on my eyebrows at the moment. I did tint them this morning, which has definitely helped with the look of them. So yeah, that's my brows now. I don't know if it gives a tint, but we'll go back onto the website. A styling soap developed by brow experts with natural and cruelty-free ingredients, safe for both hair and skin, whilst being able to hold and style brow hair in place without causing damage or leaving any residue. I love that it says that it doesn't leave any residue. Plant-based, vegan-friendly ingredients nourish the hair with coconut oil and jojoba oil so that it can be used every day, as well as post-treatments such as brow laminating or tinting. They didn't give me a discount code or anything like that, unfortunately, but It's only £14, which is great. So what I normally do is just get some setting spray and spray it onto the soap, but sometimes I just spray the spoolie. But I'm just going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to do the spoolie, and to be fair, normally I'm used to one like the Pink Honey putting it in, but I'm going to have to bend the spoolie. But I'm just going to spray this now. Sprayed the spoolie, and let's go in. Know how much I'm gonna need. Okay, let's start with this eyebrow. Okay. I went in for a second dip. I'm just gonna press my finger down. It feels exactly the same as the other brow products I've used. Like that waxy sort of feel. Okay, love that. Should have zoomed in, but we'll do with it. Definitely performed like others I've used. So yeah, love that so far. So that's the before and the after. When my eyebrows are dyed, like freshly dyed, I feel like I can go without any product in them and just do the soap and I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. I love that. It applied lovely. It's drying down as well. So it's not anything different to what I've used before. I've noticed it has stuck the brows down quite nicely, and it has gone to that dried down tacky sort of feel. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna see how it sits with my makeup and if it comes up at all, any of the hairs and etc. And I will be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, the hair is up. I've only just finished this makeup look and it's now 8:20 and I believe I started at like 3. I took my goddamn time, okay? The brow product that I used, I can firmly say that I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the application with the spoolie. I do have to say though that I noticed the hairs were coming off the skin a little bit quicker more than the other products I've used in the past for laminated brows, but in a sense, in a way, I kind of like that. Yeah, they make them look laminated but not like flat to my skin. I feel like I have more movement, I had more like natural sort of look to them. Hopefully you can see, let's zoom in. Also, I don't see any like shiny residue on the eyebrow, which you get a lot with laminated brows. It's not shiny at all, and I haven't put much product like a brow pencil through my brows either, so it's pretty much just my eyebrows and the soap. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, but I am going to try it for a week like I always do in my makeup reviews. I'm going to try it for a week, wear it every day for a week. How many times do I want to say that? And I will come back to you in a few days with my final verdict, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm back after a good, I think it's been like a week or so. My overall thoughts on the Brow HQ Brow Styling Soap. Now, this took me a while to get used to, and I don't know why, I'm not sure. It wasn't as easy as the Pears soap, I have to point that out, but I've got it on today and I think it's really staying put really nicely. I don't know if you remember me mentioning, obviously it was a couple of minutes ago for you guys, but I said about it looked more natural and they didn't stick down as much. After wearing it for a couple of days with it doing that, I didn't like the way it was looking. I really wanted that, you know, staying put, stay on my face sort of finish outcome. So I experimented a little bit and I found out that I was using too much sort of like setting spray or water on my spoolie or on the actual product, and it was too wet. It needed to be more of that grippy texture, so I sprayed the spoolie, just the spoolie. This is what I do now. Spray the spoolie with a little bit, 2 or so sprays of setting spray or water, whatever you use to do your brows, and let it sit on the brush for a little bit and then go in with the product, because as well I found it was soaping up, so you could see it go in a little bit white in the actual soap. But after that, after I experimented a little bit and played with it a bit, and obviously it's a new product so I wasn't really 100% how to use it, but after using it I really do like it. Like today I really like how my eyebrows are looking. It's really nice for that everyday look. I've noticed as well it gives nice texture to the eyebrow. It doesn't make it look just stuck on my face. Do you know what I mean? You know that sort of brow products you get and they're just shiny and stick. Yeah, it still has movement, which is good. It still looks really natural. Not natural, but like, do you know what I mean? It still looks like my eyebrows. Is that what I'm trying to say? Overall, I think it is a really good product. Would I go out and buy it again? I'm not sure. I've got to play around with it a little bit more. You'll see it in other videos if I do get on with it a little bit more, or if I don't, I will let you guys know. But my final thoughts is it's okay. It's a nice product, and it's nice to support like a smaller brand, because they are, I believe they're just like a eyebrow salon, or like, you know, a beauty salon, and they've just brought out their brow product, which is absolutely amazing, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't rush out and get another one. But I do really like it, so it's a little bit of a 50-50 for me at the moment. Yeah, but I do like it. So it's nice and natural. If you want a natural laminated brow, it's for you. If you want that structured, stay and put all day brow product for laminated brows, this isn't the one for you, girl. That's all I've got to say with this product. Definitely use little water and you'll be fine. So that concludes my video. I really hope you've enjoyed this review video. I am loving my review videos at the moment, so definitely let me know what you would like to see me review next. I would love to know some suggestions down below in the comments, so please do hit me up, let me know what you want to see. Please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. That would help me out a lot, and it would help you guys out a lot to know when I post, and especially if you've got the notifications on. So yeah, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It really helps me out with content to know what you guys want to actually see and what you enjoy, so please do thumbs it up if you did enjoy it. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.